All right, so we're going to show everybody the room here real quick. So this is what they're calling a spacious ocean view cabin. We're currently up here on deck 7, room 7238 or 7283. Something like that. Tiffany's going to have to look. So she's going to take a quick look here. Anyway, we are pretty much the last cabin after the ship.
7382.
7382. There you go. 7382. We're the last cabin on deck 7 before it becomes aft facing balconies. So they turn this one into an ocean view room. But we got a nice porthole here. Of course, the view isn't great right now. We're still in port. We got the bed, the nightstand on either side. Now, one thing I noticed this room does not have is USB charging ports. So definitely bring your own. Of course, we have the couch. Got a phone over there. You have the desk area here. Right inside here is your refrigerator. You got drawer space on either side here. Room safe. More cabinets. Oops, that was loud. You got your TV. I said a little desk area. I said, and this is the power that they have. It's just 2 regular electrical plugs. On this side over here, you have your announcement channel volume, an old telephone data port, and then a 220. We have our thermostat. Well, we're going to go ahead and turn that down and get that a little cooler in here for tonight. All right. Let's flick on the light here. There we go. Inside here, you got some hangers, some shelves, smaller shelf. There's your life jackets down here. Then we'll go here into the bathroom. So you have your shower there. You have your hair and body wash on the wall. You got your shower. It does have the clothesline right up there at the top. And then kind of closes with 2 doors like that for the shower. Kind of put you in a capsule. But you know what? At least it doesn't have a shower curtain. Got your towels. Said not a very big bathroom, but it'll work for just Tiffany and I. This is perfect for just the 2 of us. What's up, everybody? So you got a mirror here. I don't know. What do you think, hon? How do you feel about this room for the next 5 days?
I think it's going to be great for the next 5 days.
I mean, it's going to work. It's a nice little cabin.
We've been in smaller.
We have definitely been in smaller. As I said, it's not an inside cabin this time. So we're going to have light. We have a window. We can see what's going on outside. And that is our room. And we'll catch up with you guys here as we continue to explore Adventure of the Seas.